Hi, this is Peyton with Dr. Ding. We have a vehicle that's came in today from a customer. He had a really bad tailgate damage, and so we're going to try to attempt it today. So hopefully it turns out well. It's in a really difficult spot with really high strength steel, so hopefully we get it good. You can see right here on the tailgate we've got a fairly sharp dent that's out of light. You can see it's a pretty gnarly one. We'll see how it turns out. Alright, this is Peyton back with you. We have this Dodge Ram all cleaned up and finished up. I have to say it turned out really, really great. Here we go. That's what the dent was. There's a little scuff there from when the dent was made. Other than that, it looks pretty good.